Next one, IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compounds. Coordination compounds, the rules for the coordination compounds recommended by IUPAC are as 1. First rule, in naming the complex ion or neutral molecule, name the ligands first and then metal. The name of second rule, the name of the anionic ligands are obtained by changing the ending IDE to O and ATE to ATO. This is the suffix which will be changed. The name of the complexes is one single word. There must not any space between different ligand names as well as between ligand name and the name of the metal. Fourth rule, after the name of the metal, write its oxidation state in a Roman number which appears in parenthesis, that is the bracket, in bracket without any space between metal name and parenthesis. Fifth rule, the complex has more than one ligand of the same type. The number is indicated with the prefix di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa and so on. Sixth rule, for the exam complex having more than one type of ligands, they are written in the alphabetical order. Suppose two ligands with preference with prefixes are tetraaqua and dichloro. While naming the alphabetically order, tetraaqua is the first and then dichloro. This is alphabetically ordered. Then seventh rule, if the name of the ligand itself contains numerical prefix, then display number by prefixes with bis for 2, tris for 3 and tetrais for the 4 and so forth. Put the ligand's name in parenthesis. For example, ethylene diamine, En in bracket, En thrice. Then ADTA is in bracket ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Then the metal, it rule, the metal in cationic or neutral complex is specified by its usual name, while in the anionic complex the name of the metal ends ATE. For example, this rule applied in this example. First of all, anionic ligands. This is bromide. In IUPAC nomenclature, it will be converted into bromo. This is IDE is converted into O. Then another anionic ligands, chloride, converted in IUPAC name chloro. Fluoride in fluoro. Iodine is the iodo. Cyanide is the cyano. Sulfate is the sulfato. Nitro is the nitrato. Then another anionic ligands, carbonate, in IUPAC name carbonato, hydroxide, hydroxo, oxalate, oxalato, then nitrite, nitro, N-bonded ligands, nitrite, O-bonded ligand, nitrito, then thiocyanate, SCN. This is ligand do not atom S. This is the thiocyanato and thiocyanato. This is ligand donor atom is nitrogen. So this is isothiocyanato. Then neutral ligands, ammonia, NH3. In IUPAC nomenclature, this is amine. Then carbon monoxide, in IUPAC, carbonyl. Then water, in IUPAC, aqua. And ethylene diamine, EN, it is the ethylene diamine in IUPAC nomenclature. Then the some IUPAC names of the metal in anionic complexes. The metals, aluminium, which is converted into in IUPAC aluminate, ATE, cobalt, cobaltate, gold, arate, then manganese, magnate, then platinum, platinate, chromium, chromate, copper, cuprate, iron, ferrate, nickel, nickelate, and zinc, zincate. These are the IUPAC names of ligands and metals. Then the next one is an example of these coordination complexes. The IUPAC names of the some complexes. These names which is named by the using these 8 rules of the IUPAC nomenclatures. The first anionic complexes. Here it is start from nickel, ligands name first. So here CN is the ligands. These are 4. So tetracyano. This is cyanide. So this is tetracyano nickelate and +2 oxidation state ions. Then here this is oxalate ions. So it will be 3. So trioxalato cobaltate 3 ions. This is the name, IUPAC name of this coordination complexes. Then third one, FeCN6. CN is the ligands. These are 6. So hexacyano. So hexacyanoferrate second ions. These are the complexes, anionic complexes. The next one, compound containing complex anions and the metal cation. So Na3CO NO2 6. Here first of all naming is the first metal. So sodium, then ligands, hexa, nitro, cobaltate third. Then potassium, this is oxalate group. So potassium trioxalato aluminate 3. Then sodium AlF6, that is the F is the ligand 6 hexafluoro. So sodium hexafluoro aluminate 3. This is compound containing anion and metal complexes. And then cationic complexes, this is tetraamino copper second. Then here alphabetically penta aqua isocyanate to iron third ion. Then here this is bis ethylene diamine dithiocyanato platinum 4. Then compound containing complex cation and anion. The platinum, this is tetraamine dibromo platinum 4 bromide. Then here pentaamine carbonato cobaltate 3 chloride. Here pentaamine aqua cobalt third iodide. And neutral complexes, here triamine trinitro cobalt 3. Then FeCO5, this is the pentacarbonyl iron 0, no oxidation state. Then triamine trithiocyanato rhodium third. These are the IUPAC names of the coordination